John K here for another edition of What's That Noise? Except today, it's What's Up With My AC? We have an extended van here with an aftermarket AC compressor for front and rear. This vehicle doesn't have AC, doesn't get cold. So I have my foreman go through the car with us, and we have plenty of Freon, no leaks in the system, but the Freon isn't being cooled because we had 2 dead electric fans. So my man Ray Akjar just installed 2 new fans, rewired them, and we're about to get it going again to have this rehab van back on the road with their customers nice and comfortable. So when your car isn't cold and you're sweating, come find us at Northeast Ford. We're ready for you.